Are you tired of losing hours every single day to repetitive manual tasks like sorting emails, updating your CRM, researching leads, or coordinating calendars? If you want to grow your digital business or scale your operations efficiently, you need systems that work for you 24/7. That is exactly what we are breaking down today. In this comprehensive tutorial, we are doing a deep dive into an absolute game changer in the world of artificial intelligence and automation, Lindy AI. Lindy AI is a powerful platform built explicitly to help entrepreneurs, creators, business owners, and busy professionals design custom AI agents, often called Lindys, to automate workflows completely without writing a single line of code. Whether you need a virtual assistant to proactively manage an inbox, a dedicated researcher to scrape and enrich sales leads, or a support agent to handle customer chats across different platforms, this tool does it seamlessly. The beauty of this system is how it fits directly into your existing setup by natively connecting with thousands of everyday tools you already use, like Gmail, Slack, HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zoom. Instead of setting up complicated coding scripts or navigating overwhelming automation platforms that have steep learning curves, you can build autonomous agents here using simple, everyday, natural language. If you are interested in eliminating manual busy work and taking your productivity to the next level, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. Before we get started, if you haven't signed up for Lindy AI yet, then make sure to use the link which is given down below in the video description. Let's get started. Now that we are inside, let's look at the core layout so you understand exactly how to navigate this platform effectively. A great design tip when working with any new software, especially automation software, is to first familiarize yourself with the structural framework before building anything out. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is rushing straight into building complex sequences without understanding where everything lives. Let's break this down. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice the primary dashboard menu. This is your control center, and it is beautifully minimalist. It is broken down into 4 main pillars. First, you have My Agents. This is essentially the roster of your digital employees. Second, you have Workflows, which is your visual drag and drop canvas, where we will map out the logic later in this video. Third, we have the Integrations tab, which is the bridge between Lindy and the hundreds of other apps you already use, like Gmail, Slack, and HubSpot. And fourth, the Templates library. If you want to save hours of setup time, this template library is a goldmine filled with pre-built systems for email triage, calendar management, and lead enrichment that you can deploy in one click. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Why should you prefer a tool like Lindy AI over traditional legacy automation platforms you might have used in the past? With standard tools, you are forced to build strict, rigid, linear rules. If X happens, do exactly Y. If anything changes, the whole automation breaks. But Lindy AI introduces what is known as autonomous agentic reasoning. When you create an agent here, it doesn't just blindly pass data from one app to another. It reads context, it understands intent, and it breaks complex goals down into subtasks using natural language processing. It actually adapts and corrects its own mistakes without human intervention. It can handle multi-step processes completely independently, like checking your calendar for double bookings, figuring out which meeting is more important, and emailing the other party to reschedule. It behaves exactly like an actual highly trained team member, sitting at a desk, checking things continuously throughout the day. Let's shift our focus to the central area of the dashboard. This is your Tasks view, which displays your active task history and system usage. Keep a very close eye on your execution logs right here. A major pro tip for optimizing and scaling your systems is to review these logs regularly. Lindy allows you to monitor your workflows in real time. When an agent is working, you can click into a task and watch a live, step-by-step chronological execution of all its actions. You can see the exact data it pulled, the decisions it made, and the final output it generated. This is essential for debugging. If an agent drafts an email you don't love, you don't have to guess why. The logs show you exactly how it interpreted your instructions. Furthermore, these dashboards tell you exactly how many tasks your agents have successfully completed this week, showing you the exact, quantifiable return on investment on the time you are saving. Now for the exciting part. Let's build our very first custom AI agent from scratch to see just how incredibly simple this setup process really is. We are going to focus on a highly common scenario that almost every single business, agency, and creator faces: handling initial customer outreach and filtering that endless stream of incoming requests. Think about how much time you or your team spend every single day just reading emails, deciding which department needs to handle them, and typing out variations of the exact same response. Today, we are going to automate that completely. Notice this large, clean text box right in the middle of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Unlike older automation platforms, where you have to click through a dozen nested drop-down menus to define variables, Lindy AI allows you to configure your entire agent using everyday conversational English. You don't need to know Python, you don't need to understand complex API webhook configurations, and you certainly don't need to hire a developer. If you know how to write an email or message a colleague on Slack, you already have all the technical skills required to build a powerful AI agent right here. Let's type out a directive into the prompt box. I'm going to type, "You are an executive operations assistant. Your job is to monitor incoming contact inquiries, determine if they are looking for partnership opportunities or general support, and draft an appropriate, highly professional response based on our company guidelines." Now let's pause for a second and break down why this specific prompt is effective. A great framework to use here is role, task, and standard. First, we gave the AI a specific persona to adopt, an executive operations assistant. Second, we gave it a clear binary task, monitoring the inbox and filtering for either partnerships or support. Third, we gave it a standard for the output, ensuring the drafted response is highly professional. As we hit enter, look closely at how the interface processes this description. In real time, the underlying AI takes our natural language instructions and automatically translates them into a structured, operational framework behind the scenes. It creates the logic paths and the necessary steps without us having to draw them out manually. Here is a massive pro tip when writing instructions for your agents. Be highly specific about the tone and, more importantly, the negative boundaries you want to set. Treating your AI prompt exactly like a standard operating procedure or a training manual for a brand new human employee ensures the absolute highest quality output. For example, you might want to add a line to your prompt that says, "Never offer a refund or a price discount to a customer without getting explicit managerial approval first." By defining exactly what the agent cannot do, you give it the perfect guardrails to operate autonomously, effectively, and safely within your business systems. Now that we know how to write instructions for our agent, we need to give it the tools to actually do its job. Because the reality is, an AI agent is only as powerful as the data it can access and the platforms it can control. Let's head over to the Integrations panel to connect our new agent directly to our everyday business stack. When you look at this page, you start to realize the sheer scale of what you can build here. Lindy AI supports native integrations with hundreds of popular applications and tools. This means you can hook it directly into your business email, your internal communication channels like Slack, or your primary database infrastructure without needing a middleman software like Zapier to hold it all together. Let's look at how we connect a standard email account. If I search for Gmail and click on the integration module, a secure authorization screen pops up. It's a standard one-click OAuth login. Once connected, your agent instantly gains the ability to execute actions based entirely on the logic you defined in the previous step. For example, if you integrate Gmail, you can set up a trigger where Lindy activates anytime a new email arrives that matches specific search criteria or has a specific label. But let's talk about why businesses are actually migrating their operations here. Another major reason people choose Lindy AI over standard automation alternatives is its ability to handle deep, intelligent CRM integrations seamlessly. Let's say you are using a platform like HubSpot. With traditional tools, you might be able to set up a rigid rule that just logs a basic interaction note when an email is received. Lindy, however, acts like an intelligent bridge between your inbox and your database. Because you can integrate Gmail and HubSpot together through Lindy, I can actually interpret a long, complex email conversation from a new lead. It can read the context, extract key information like budget figures, company size, or project timelines, and then automatically create or update custom contact records in HubSpot entirely on its own. And it doesn't stop there. Because Lindy can connect to multiple apps at once, you can build cross-platform workflows. Imagine a scenario where a new lead is added in HubSpot, and Lindy immediately sends a notification summary to a specific Slack channel, so your sales team is instantly informed. You can even have Lindy upload a file to a Slack channel, or create a HubSpot communication record as part of that same automated sequence. This keeps your entire data pipeline accurate and completely synchronized across all your departments without any manual data entry or human intervention. By letting Lindy handle the data synchronization, your team can focus purely on building relationships and actually closing deals. Let's move into what is arguably one of the absolute biggest time sinks for any modern professional: email management. If you are spending your first 2 hours every morning just sorting through the noise, you are bleeding valuable time. Let's look at the Emails Configuration tab right here in the account settings to see how Lindy completely overhauls this process. When you configure Lindy, you aren't setting up a rigid spam filter, you are deploying an intelligent, context-aware inbox manager. Let's break down exactly what you are seeing on this screen and look at 3 practical examples of how to use these features. First, take a look at the email labeling section at the top. You have a toggle to allow Lindy to organize your inbox, and below that you have a drag-and-drop interface for categories like newsletters, invoices, and promotions. This is perfect for filtering out the noise. You can instruct your agent: if an email is a newsletter I am subscribed to, bypass my main inbox completely, drop it into a reading, label, and write me a 1-paragraph summary every Friday afternoon. Lindy intelligently categorizes these out of your site so you can focus on actual work. Second, scrolling down, we have time-sensitive email alerts. This is an absolute game changer for customer relations. Instead of keeping your inbox open all day waiting for an important message, you can set Lindy to text your phone when something critical happens. You can type a simple rule into this box. For example, if a high-ticket client emails me with an urgent question, send an alert to my phone immediately. The AI reads the context of the incoming emails, determines if it matches your definition of urgent or high-ticket, and pings you directly on your delivery channel. Third, let's look at the email drafting and learned instructions sections at the bottom. This is where Lindy handles your administrative busy work. You can give it explicit drafting instructions, like match the sender's tone and keep it under 3 sentences. But even more impressively, Lindy actually builds an internal context document, which you can see right here, based on how you naturally write and handle threads. You can use this to say, if an email contains an invoice from a vendor, draft a polite confirmation reply thanking them and queue it in my drafts. You can even set up your custom signature and tell Lindy to automatically draft follow-up emails if someone hasn't replied to you after a set amount of days, like 2 or 3 days, right from this drop-down menu. A massive design tip for email automation is to utilize the human-in-the-loop strategy. Start by automating your triage process first. Don't let the AI send external emails to your clients without your approval right away. Set it up strictly to draft those vendor responses and organize your folders. Once you review those drafts and see how perfectly Lindy adapts to your learned instructions, you can give it the green light to send replies entirely on its own. Right below the email settings, you will see 2 incredibly important tabs: Meetings and Scheduling. We all know the dreaded calendar ping pong, sending 5 different emails back and forth just to find a 30-minute window that works for both parties. Lindy completely eliminates this friction. By connecting your Google Calendar or Outlook directly into these scheduling settings, Lindy becomes your autonomous booking assistant. You can literally just CC your Lindy agent on an email with a client and say, Lindy, please find a time for us to chat next week for 45 minutes. The AI will read the thread, check your actual availability, cross-reference time zones, and email the client directly with proposed times. Once the client picks a slot, Lindy generates the Zoom or Google Meet link, creates the calendar event, and sends out the official invitations without you ever opening your calendar app. But it goes deeper than just booking. Under the Meetings tab, you can set up pre-meeting workflows. You can instruct your agent to automatically scrape the LinkedIn profile or the company website of the person you are meeting with and deliver a 1-page summary brief to your inbox 15 minutes before the call starts. It prepares you for the conversation autonomously, making you look incredibly professional and well-researched with 0 manual effort. When you look at the sheer flexibility of building natural language agents, automating your inbox, instantly resolving scheduling conflicts, and managing a full workspace of digital employees, it's easy to see why businesses are adopting this technology. It completely removes the administrative bottlenecks holding you back from high-level, revenue-generating strategic work. If you are interested in eliminating manual busy work and taking your productivity to the next level, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. We want to hear from you. What is the very first manual task, email routine, or scheduling headache in your business that you plan to hand over to an AI agent? Drop your ideas, questions, and thoughts in the comment section down below. We read and reply to as many comments as possible to help you optimize your specific setup. And remember, if you haven't done so already, make sure to click that link in the video description right now, sign up for Lindy AI, and start building out your very first automation today. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next tutorial.